So hello and welcome to PA Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to construct a rhombus. So this is how a rhombus looks like, something like this. This is the shape of a rhombus. So how do we construct a rhombus? When we are given the length of the diagonal, that is this line AB, and the length of the side. How do we go about to construct a rhombus like that? So for this video, we are going to be taking the diagonal to be 12 centimeter, and then we are taking the length of the side as 8 centimeters. So now the first thing we are going to do is to construct, the measures, draw a straight line of 12 centimeter, which is the diagonal we are going to be using. So right here, I've already drawn the straight line AB. So AB of 12 centimeter. Now the next thing you are going to do is you are going to pick your compass and measure 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter is same as 80 millimeter. So here is 8 centimeter on our compass. So from point B on the straight line, you draw an arc upward. You also draw an arc downwards. So what we've just done to point B, with the same length of 8 centimeter, we'll go to point A. We also draw an arc upward, and then we'll also draw the arc downward so that they can meet with the arc we drew from point B. So the next thing we are going to do is from the one at the top, so where both arc intersect each other at the top, we are going to draw it down to point A. So draw it down to point A. So we are also going to take from the one at the top, we are also going to join it with point B. So from point B also, we are also going to draw a line to where the two arcs below the line AB meets. And then from the point down to point A. So that is it. So this is how you construct a rhombus when you are given the length of the diagonal and the length of the side. Don't forget all the sides are equal. That's 8 centimeters. So this is how you go about it. So if you have any question concerning this video, leave them in the comments. If you find this video helpful, kindly click on the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.